What's up, guys?
Stop playing with him. Check out the tee.
Got the t-shirt. You got it on. I got it on too. I got a pineapple to match the shirt.
Have fruit crackers.
Oh, shrimp flavor.
Shout out to the homie.
That wave looks like it's on. The wave looks good. So today we're visiting the best warung in town. Shout out to Gibbs. Thanks for the recommendation.
Warung Iboki.
Warung Iboki.
Warung Iboki.
It's this mother, like this village mother who just like opened her own warung. And then it became so popular from this like one shack, and then she built one here, and then the original one is in Jimbaran.
Okay, and there's only one thing on the menu.
Pretty much, yeah.
One thing on the menu, that's how you know it's good. Update, I just fell off my scooter. I don't know, I was on YouTube, I was like, how are people getting in so many motorcycle accidents out here? But just got in a little one of my own. I got a little bit scraped up. Could have been worse. I had to stop short. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take care of those cuts right now. And yeah, I'm a little shaken up, but could have been worse.
Damn. So we got into our first accident of the trip. Hopefully the last. Yeah, I guess Paul, tell them what happened, man.
Let me show them everything.
So we got a little cut right here.
That's the majority of it, and then we got some little pieces here and there, but I was going way too fast. being a little reckless, and a truck in front of me slowed down, and I was going too fast behind him. I didn't have enough time, so I had to skid out. I hit the brakes and then just threw the scooter, and I ended up sliding pretty much on this whole side of my body. So I lost some skin. I'm gonna stay out the water for a little bit, let it heal. We got the active skin repair, the whole list, everything's coming in handy. So yeah.
Stop playing with him. Thank God Paul's okay. He got a sick barrel today, so I'm sure he's hype about that. But I guess what I can say about this is when you're driving in Bali, go slow. Don't think you need to speed up, because anything can happen. And you're in a foreign country, so you want to make sure everything's okay. It's all good. All right, man. Hold on. Man, check the Ebony Beach Club hat out. You know the vibes. Those are our brothers right now. We part of the gang too, man. But for right now, Paul about to get his ass busted. And he just set me up. Here, Paul. Let me show you how it's done, brother.
Oh man.
Let me show you how it's done. I'm gonna do this first.
What?
Because then you know why? I'm gonna line myself up for the next shot. Because I'm a bad.
I'll take it. I'm going for this one.
Alright.
Oh yeah, I know what I'm doing. That's an easy line.
Nah, man, you ain't got that.
That's an easy line. That's 1, 2, 3.
Alright, let's see it. Well, what you doing? Behind the wall, brother. Oh boy, now you're cheating. Oh. What you about? Oh.
Let me just chalk the stick real quick.
He knows he's been fucking his straight shots up. I know exactly. He gonna kiss it too much. Watch. It's gonna end up off the bank. He's thinking about it too much. I told you. He didn't leave me an easy one though. So professional will bank the shot. So what am I gonna do? Bank the shot. And that's how you do it, baby.
Hey, that's.
Yeah, good game.
Yes, sir.
Stop playing.
Stop playing.
Stop playing. Shout out to the homie Gage and Zavy. We gonna start the Ebony Beach Club Pool League. That's a fact.
That would be lit.
Alright, right here, check this out, little combination. Little something slight. Alright, let's see if I can make this one. Oh! Alright, the score is 1-2. Will Paul come back? Yo, Paul, how you feeling after your bike crash, man? You feeling alright?
I'm alright. I'm a little scraped up. I got more bandages up. Found something else to do.
Hey, man.
So I gotta stay out of the water and let it heal. So it's all right.
He'll be out. He said 5, but I'm giving him 3.
Thanks.
Paul's chance to come back. Well, not really, but to win this game. He gonna miss and set me up. Watch. Oh!
Got one.
Alright guys, I'm not sure if it loaded because the GoPro might have malfunctioned, but Paul scratched on the 8. So the champion is... Come get the smoke anytime, anywhere, any day.
We just pulled up to the wave. I'm not surfing today because I'm injured, but Quest is about to score. The waves are firing and there's literally nobody in the water, and we're gonna get some videos. Yeah.
But
Yeah.
It's like a preferred way to now.
It's like a free beach, yeah.
And I got the twin pin.
The blade of choice. This is what it's all about, man.
So this will be the last session of the second vlog. See, Paul's been getting all these crazy waves now. It's time for me to come back this session, man. It's time for me to come back.
Hello. And now we're in a cave. I'm just checking for bats. But yo, imagine this whole thing just closed out. Oh my goodness. That is scary. Check out this view from inside the cave. All right, that's enough time in here. See the drip?
Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Episode 2. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stop
playing with him.
you.